अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई और बहनों, आज मैं आपको एक ऐसी चीज दिखाने जा रहा हूँ जिस पर आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे, ये वाकई पागलपन है।
ओह क्या बात है।
Welcome to the most epic vlog ever. Check out this place, absolutely crazy. You won't believe what's happening here. The vlog today, we are out here enjoying the weather and I have some very exciting news to share with you all. पहले तो मेरा नया vlog देखें, ये जबरदस्त है, जरूर देखें. Deep in the desert, about to get wild. And say hi to my main man, Leo. Absolute legend, best tour guide I've ever had.
Hey everyone, check out this sweet ride with my cool partner. We're ready for adventure. Let's go.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something crazy. Look at this. Oh man, this is unbelievable. You have to see this. Can you believe we're actually here? It's happening. Let's go. Look what I have here. This is the best deal. You have to check it out. Amazing, isn't it?